Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Charge the watch above 20% and turn on phone Bluetooth. Open the Hryfine app and sign in. Once in the app, choose Add Device and put the watch into pairing mode. Press and hold the watch power / button until the indicator blinks. This step initiates the handshake between devices. Make sure the phone is within 3 meters and no other Bluetooth devices attempt to pair at the same time. Once the watch appears in Hryfine, give the app required permissions: location for BLE discovery, Bluetooth access, and notifications for alerts. Tap the device name to begin bonding. You may need to enter a 4 to 6-digit PIN shown on the watch. After pairing, the app often checks firmware, allow any update, and keep both devices charged and close. This prevents corrupt installs. Once complete, sync your profile and choose which sensor data and notifications to mirror on the watch. Finish by running the initial sync and customizing notifications, health metrics, and time format. Once done, confirm the watch displays your profile, correct time zone, and preferred units. If sync stalls, force close Hryfine, reboot the phone and watch, and try pairing again. Also toggle Bluetooth off/on. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Hryfine or move to another phone temporarily to isolate the issue. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn Bluetooth or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.